Hello guys, after a long time welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the recipe of energy ball which is without sugar and without oil or fat or ghee, highly nutritious. Here I am taking chironji 100 gram which I roast it at low heat and grind it, coarsely grind it, and oats which is also 100 gram I also roast it. Here I am taking sesame seed 100 gram which I am roasting at low heat. I am adding 50 grams of cashew nut. Here I am taking 250 grams of dried date which I had boiled for 5 minutes. And after cool down I remove the seed and coarsely grind it. Sesame seed and cashew coarsely grind it. Now we will mix all the 4 ingredients in the large bowl. Here is the chironji and the oats. No need to grind the oats. Chironji is rich in protein and fiber as well as vitamin and minerals. It improves digestion and regularizes bowel movement. It has vitamin C, B, B2 as well as niacin. Oat is the world's healthiest food. It has antioxidant property. It provides plenty of vitamins and minerals like zinc, folate, vitamin B1 and B5 etc. Rich source of soluble fiber. It helps to reduce weight loss. Sesame seeds, good source of fiber. It may help to decrease high cholesterol and triglycerides. It is good source of protein, vitamin A, D, C and iron. And the last one, dates. Excellent energy booster, powerhouse of vitamins. Dried dates have antioxidative property. It has full of soluble and insoluble fiber. Excellent source of iron and calcium. Calcium helps to make our teeth and bone strong. At the time of mixing, add half tablespoon of cardamom powder. The clip was missed, sorry for that. Mix it nicely and make a ball. You can add any dry fruit as per your choice. I have added only cashews and few almonds. I had added half cup of melted chocolates because my kids don't like that one. So I had added chocolate and mix it all together and make a ball. Ball is ready to eat. Overall, one ball gives you lots of energy, improve your health and many other health benefits. So enjoy these energy balls. That's all for now. Goodbye. खुश रहिए, सबको खुश रखिए, खिलाइए पिलाइए, मौज मस्ती कीजिए. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.